Ever wondered how to create a design that not only looks good but also works seamlessly for the end users? Are you curious about how to unlock the secrets of your users' hearts and minds? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive into the fascinating world of user research methods and techniques in UI/UX design. First up on our journey, we encounter surveys and analytics. Imagine a tool that collects data like a honeybee collects nectar from a multitude of sources, creating a rich, sweet understanding of user behavior. That's what surveys and analytics provide, a broad understanding of user behavior, illuminating the paths they tread most often and the time they spend on a website. Next, we venture into the realm of user interviews. Picture a goldmine, each nugget representing a user's goals, pain points, and expectations. By excavating these nuggets through one-on-one interviews, designers delve deep into the user's experiences and emotions, unearthing invaluable insights. Our journey then takes us to the land of usability testing. Imagine sitting in a cinema, watching your users interact with your design. You observe their interactions, note their reactions, and understand what works and what doesn't. This real-time feedback is the popcorn that makes the movie of your design so much more enjoyable. Ever tried to organize a messy drawer? That's what card sorting feels like. It's a technique that allows users to categorize content into groups that make sense to them. This is an excellent way to design intuitive navigation structures. Our journey then leads us to a panel of experts conducting heuristic evaluations. Picture a group of UX wizards inspecting your design against a set of usability principles. Their trained eyes quickly spot potential issues that might escape regular users. Now, imagine a friendly competition between two versions of a design or feature. That's what A/B testing is. It's a race to determine the most effective design based on user feedback. Have you ever tried to read someone's mind? Well, eye tracking devices and heat maps offer the next best thing. They show where users look on a web page and which areas get the most attention, helping to optimize the layout and visual hierarchy. Next, we move to the world of prototyping and wireframing. Picture an artist's rough sketch before the final painting. That's what prototypes and wireframes are. Drafts of your design that you test with users, gaining early feedback and making necessary improvements. Finally, we reach the land of accessibility testing. Imagine a world where everyone, including people with disabilities, can use your product. It involves testing with individuals who have different impairments, such as visual or auditory, to identify and rectify accessibility issues. So there you have it, a journey through the landscape of user research methods and techniques in UI/UX design. By harnessing these tools, we create designs that are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for the users. It's a continuous process, a journey that keeps our designs evolving and improving. So, until next time, remember, the secret to great design is understanding your users.